located in Delhi, and for doing so we're going to be visiting a site called blog.oureducation. So this site blog.oureducation has been around for 11 years. It is one of the oldest websites and one of the most trusted websites that gives honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center across India. Not only that, they also give consolidated reviews from Google, Facebook, Justdial and Sulekha. So as you can see here, ALS IAS Academy, which is located in Mukherjee Nagar in South Delhi, has been given an amazing rating of 9.4 out of 10. This is their overall rating. You can also see their rating on different parameters. Everything has got a really good rating. However, their fees has got the lowest rating among all, and that is because it is a little expensive. As you can see here, a yearly course comes about to like 2,05,000, which is a little pricey compared to all the other institutes we have seen so far. So some of the pros of this institute are that this institute has very good infrastructure, their photo gallery, they provide good notes. So their website is good, they provide very good notes, and they have very experienced faculty members. So even like according to student reviews on this page, you can also see like good and bad student reviews. So this student who has studied over here is sharing his or her experience, and they are saying that this institute is a very well located institute, and then the parking over here is an issue, so the location is not the best, and and they think that no other institute is on par with ALS coaching. Their online support is really good, and they have the best coaching for UPSC preparations. They have very supportive faculty and very good environments, like study environments and all of that. So these are their contact details, their address, their contact numbers, and the courses that they offer are IAS, UPSC and civil service. So their fee structure is 2,05,000. However, for optional subjects and general studies, you have to pay extra. And the optional subjects include history, sociology, geography, political science. Now they have a very large batch size, and that is a very alarming con in this institute. So their batch size ranges from 200 students to 500 students in a batch, which is really bad. This makes the class very crowded, very noisy, and very difficult to like get attention from your teachers as well. So if you're a student who needs extra attention, or this is one of your priorities that you should have like more of like a one-to-one attention, then this institute is definitely not for you. So you have to definitely take this into consideration as well. Also, the teachers' names are listed. Then their past result, rank 1 and rank 3 holders were from this institute, which shows how credible this institute is. So this is your email address. As you can see, they have a really impressive Justdial, Google and Facebook rating. So yeah, even some frequently asked questions are answered here. So how are the faculty members of this academy? So one of the sirs is very famous, and that sir is Mukherjee. And he is very famous and for his teaching style. The other teachers are not really good. That's what this student is saying. Then how is the study material? So the study material from ALS IAS Academy is very popular among students, and they purchase this because it is systematic and it is updated, and it is highly recommended to UPSC aspirants. How is the past result? So we already saw the past result. It is really good, and they have their past result on their website too, which just shows how credible they are. And their rank number 1, 3 and 11 were from this institute in the past year. So yeah, so I hope this was helpful to you all, and if it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are also going to take up these exams in the future. Thank you so much for watching.